Hi, I'm Don Cooper. I'm the CEO and founder of Innovator Industrial Services. And in this video series, we're going to have some fun. We have written articles in the past on the history of isolation and test plugs and on the advancements in that technology. So rather than writing about it, we thought we would go out into the marketplace and rent all of the plugs that our customers and our audience has available and compare them all in a controlled situation to see how they perform. So we're going to be measuring how long it takes to set these plugs up, how fast it is for them to be able to accomplish a hydro test on the desired pressure, and see if they actually perform as they're supposed to. We are testing 6-inch Schedule 80 600-pound flanges with a maximum design test rating of 1500 psi. In this series, we're going to be testing the Carber O-ring style tool that uses compressive force to expand an O-ring. We're going to be using the expansion seal high lift tool, and we are going to be using the Innovator IWT self-energizing internal well tester. So now we're on to seeing some results. In the first tool, we're comparing the Carber on 6-inch Schedule 80 with 1500 pounds of test pressure. The tool took just over 25 minutes to set up, and just over 34 minutes of attempting to get a test. Unfortunately, the maximum test pressure that the Carber plug reached in this setup was 700 psi, and we canceled the testing after 4 attempts and after it maxed out on the 1-hour criteria. So the next tool is the high lift expansion seal tool, 6-inch Schedule 80 600-pound flanges, and a maximum test pressure of 1500 psi. The tool took just over 13 minutes to set up. And just over 14 minutes of testing time, and at that point the tool reached a maximum test pressure that we could hold at 500 psi, but again the tool had maxed out its 4 attempts, and the test was determined to be a fail in terms of being able to accomplish the goals of that test, and it was stopped. So the final test is the Innovator IWT 6-inch Schedule 80 1500-pound hydro test. 6 minutes to get it up to pressure, holding at 1500 psi, and the whole process took under 8 minutes. So a very quick test, and that tool was equally successful at accomplishing the desired test pressure for this particular scenario.
When I think about the testing we've done here, it's very insightful to see how different tools perform, how they accomplish those tests with ease or lack thereof. Do they actually reach the desired test pressures? At the end of the day, customers want the plug to get a seal, get up to pressure, so they can get on with confirming that the weld being tested is good. It should never be about the plug. It should be about the test.